If you're looking for a high-quality potting mix to help your plants thrive, Miracle-Gro Potting Mix is a fantastic choice. This 16-quart, 2-pack is perfect for container plants, flowers, vegetables, annuals, perennials, and shrubs, providing the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. One of the best features of this potting mix is its ability to feed plants for up to 6 months. That means less time worrying about fertilizing and more time enjoying beautiful, thriving plants. Whether you're growing flowers, tomatoes, or indoor houseplants, this mix provides essential nutrients to support growth. Another major benefit is its excellent drainage and aeration. The formula is designed to prevent soil compaction, allowing roots to breathe and absorb water efficiently. This helps reduce the risk of overwatering, one of the most common problems in container gardening. This potting mix is also versatile and works well in indoor and outdoor containers. Whether you're filling flower pots, raised beds, or hanging baskets, you'll see a noticeable difference in plant health and growth. The rich organic materials help retain moisture while still providing the necessary drainage to keep plants from becoming waterlogged. Right now, this Miracle-Gro Potting Mix is 25% off, making it the perfect time to stock up for your gardening projects. Don't wait, this deal won't last forever. Check out the link in the description below to grab yours today.